Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by choosing primary paints and deciding the target hue. Pick red, blue, yellow plus white and black for control. Measure small amounts and mix on a clean palette with a knife to avoid contamination. Once done, test swatches on scrap paper or canvas to see value and saturation. This verifies your base before you proceed. Make sure to record ratios roughly if you need to recreate the color later, because small changes in quantity change the result noticeably. You now refine hue, value, and saturation to match your goal, add tiny amounts of a complementary color to shift hue subtly, and watch the tone change. For value, mix in white for lighter or a touch of black or the opposite color to darken. Go slow to avoid overshooting. Once done, adjust saturation by introducing neutral gray to mute or more pure pigment to intensify. Make sure to retest swatches and compare under the same light where the final piece will be viewed. You finish by applying thin, even coats so colors sit properly and dry predictably. Let each layer cure to see the true appearance. Once done, use wet blending for soft transitions or add transparent glazes to build richness without losing luminosity. If a color looks off, sand or lightly wipe the area, then apply a corrected underlayer before repainting. Make sure to test solvent or lifting methods on a scrap first. That avoids accidental damage and saves time in correction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.